If something doesn't change at the Harris County Courthouse soon, the families of our most recent murder victims will wait until sometime in 2026 before the accused killer is tried. Our 13 Investigates team is tracking the unprecedented backlogs in our courts and the effects it has on families. That backlog now sits at 41,000 felony cases. Tonight, Ted Oberg and our team zero in on the slowest court with the biggest portion of that backlog and a judge who may finally come back to the courtroom tomorrow.
Angie Gooden does whatever she has to avoid driving by the Scott food store.
When I get to that light, I just mouth out, I love you. Good morning, my guardian angel. But I will not go down that way.
The store's right around the corner from her house. Avoiding it's not easy, but driving by is even harder for Angie. Even today, more than 2 years since her son Duke was shot to death in the parking lot.
My heart just melted.
Police arrested the man suspected of killing her son. By now, it may seem cliche, but Gerald Dwayne Washington was already out on bond for another murder 2 years before he was arrested for killing Duke. He hasn't been to trial on that case either, the first murder nearly 4 years ago.
Is that fair?
No.
The court backlog may be shrinking countywide, but it's still almost 20,000 cases larger than before the pandemic, and more families are waiting in the court where Washington's cases landed than any other, Harris County's 338th District Court, where Judge Ramona Franklin presides. Our 13 Investigates analysis of cases since the pandemic began reveals Franklin's court has slowed down the most, doubling her backlog in the last 2 years. Court records now show 3,395 cases in her court alone.
The judge is on Zoom still.
While Judge Franklin has court most days, it doesn't appear she's ever there in person. The courts won't release any records of Judge Franklin's attendance, but sworn testimony and at least 4 sources tell us she's not been in the courtroom in person during the pandemic. This defendant says he's been to her court 6 times in the last year but never saw the judge, and his case just keeps getting rescheduled by the court.
I've been reset probably 6 or 7 times.
This one said he was reset 12 times, and this one told us his case was reset again that morning. Washington's cases have been rescheduled by the court 4 times, most recently on Duke's birthday.
I celebrated my son's birthday, but for the man in court, nothing.
On her court's website, Judge Franklin says her court will resume in person tomorrow, May 2nd. Her critics say it's been too long. Paul Looney is a longtime defense attorney with cases in her court.
I have practiced law all over the United States. I have never seen such a dereliction of duty as this particular judge is indulging in. Never.
Looney says Judge Franklin, who remember presides via Zoom, won't allow lawyers to enter the courtroom with a client. The accused has to go in, the lawyer has to stay on Zoom. After that, along with numerous delays, Looney tried to get Judge Franklin recused, kicked off his client's cases, but it didn't work.
She will not come to work. She will not let the court function, and she will not take a leave of absence, and she won't resign from the bench. This is the worst possible outcome for an elected judge.
She's on Zoom every morning.
Oh, boy.
The Harris County Criminal Lawyers Association tried to get Judge Franklin disciplined. 20 months after they filed their judicial conduct complaint, it still hasn't been ruled on. County records show Franklin has the lowest clearance rate over the last year of any judge in Harris County, and more defendants in jail awaiting trial than any other judge. More than half of the pending cases in her court are at least a year old, cases simply waiting.
Everybody is entitled to due process under the law.
Yeah.
If you get into this lady's court, you have no process and no law.
There's nothing you can do to force a judge in Texas to work faster. Judges are independently elected, and Judge Franklin's not on the ballot until 2024. There's nothing we can do to even make her talk to us. We can't get into court or get a call back or an email reply or an answer to letters sent to her court and home. So like Duke's family, we just wait.
I don't have words for it. Just pick up and do your job like you're supposed to do and handle these cases.
questions.
Ted, thanks for being with us on this Sunday night. I imagine she can't be the only judge with this sort of slowdown, though.
No. Certainly Harvey and now COVID have affected all sorts of judges in all sorts of courtrooms, and we researched every single Harris County court. 15 of 22 judges, Tom, had slowdowns during the COVID era, but Judge Franklin's slowdown was 8 times worse than the countywide average. A true problem. We realize, though, it's not just on judges to fix this alone. We got behind closed doors to see how the DA is triaging cases, Tom, a word you usually hear in emergency rooms. And tomorrow, when we continue our investigation, you will see how these prosecutors with massive caseloads are making these decisions in real time under some real pressure. It is worth continuing our investigation. We'll see you tomorrow.
It's a mess that started right after Harvey and got a lot worse during the pandemic.
A lot worse. And those families are just stuck in the middle.
All right, Ted, thank you for that report. We appreciate it. We look forward to more tomorrow.